Let's start today this week, श्रावण सोमवार है ना. बहुत ही खूबसूरत दिन स्टार्ट हुआ है. And we will take out our message today before we start the session. So get excited for the message. I am using this spirit animal deck, and let's see what is the message today. All right. See, if you remember, I have done the weekly reading yesterday. Yes, how many have seen that tarot reading? I don't know. But this is something again connected to that. Number 22, truth transcends illusion. All right. So, some illusion lay a solid foundation. All the cards are coming, the same cards. And one more, just one more. Thank you. Rebirth is assured. So this is the rebirth energy going on. Bottom of the deck, we have let spirit be your guide. So, some illusion is breaking. Some illusion veil is being removed, and something is coming to light. And now you will see clearly. Now you will build a very solid foundation. Rebirth. Rebirth is, we all know, the most beautiful energy where you are, once again rising from the ashes. All right, so it's like already you are in the process, and this time you're going to build a very solid foundation. Very solid foundation. What you need to do right now? Just one more question I'm asking. What you need to do right now? What you need to do right now? Thank you for the answer. Thank you for the answer. So something is coming to light. Kuch parda hatega. Like some truth you might see. It will be revealed to you. It could be anything. It could be a very small thing also, but it will have a big impact. All right. And okay. So connect with my energy. It's a lot of fun. Thank you. Do not overthink. All right. Do not start planning या खुद से ही जैसे do not come to any conclusions right now. Do not be more in the mind. All right, just I will say that just relax and enjoy. Let me pull out one more card. Five of Pentacles. So these are like, and bottom of the deck we have the High Priestess. So even if the situation seems, you don't know, it may not be in your favor, or things may not look so good, so bright, but suddenly something is going to shift, something is going to come to light, and this will change so much in your life. This will actually change so much in your life, because if you allow the spirit to guide you, then you don't have to use your mind more. So just stop all the overthinking and move forward. Yes. So very beautiful message. Anything you want to ask anybody?